Hello, and in this video we will be making a class that will be swapping two numbers using friend function in OOP. Let's begin with the boilerplate code. Let's write first class, for example x, with private members int num1, public function void set data value, and let's assign the value for num1. And then display the value, void display cout num1. Now I'll make another class with y, private member and num2, public. Again, same information, set data void, set data and value, and let's assign num2 the value that the user will give, and again display it, void display cout num2 and let. Now we will make a function that will swap these two values, void swapping, that will take the objects of class x and y using reference pointers, object 1 ampersand sign, comma y ampersand sign, object 2. Now if you know how to do swapping from my previous video, you will know that we will use a temp variable. We will say that object 1 dot data num1, and then object 1 dot num1 equals object 2 dot num2, and then object 2 dot num2 will become take the value from the temp. So if I explain it in simple words, it is like temp take the value from A, and then A assign B value was assigned to A, and then at the last B take the value from the temp. And this is how swapping is performed using third variable. Now you can see that there are errors coming in the code. To fix these errors, you need to create a friend function, and we we will make both the classes. We will make this object swapping as friend. Void swapping that passes to objects x ampersand obj 1 comma y ampersand obj 2. Same for the y class. We will just copy this. Let's bring it in the y class, and as you can see, there is still an error coming in num1. To clear this issue, we need to have a forward declaration that there is a y exists in the code y class. Forward declaration. All the errors are resolved. In the main class, we will create the objects x o1 and same goes for y o2. o1 dot set data. Suppose we give it number 12 and then o2 dot set data and give it number suppose 21. Never forget to use the semicolon. And just for sake, we will write before swapping and after swapping so that we will have a better understanding. Before swapping o1 dot display o2 dot display o2 dot display. Now we will swap these two variables. Cout after swapping call the function named swapping and just pass these two objects o1 and o2, and then again display both of them. o1 dot display o2 dot display. Before running the code, let's see what we have done. We have created two classes, class x for setting up the value of num1 and also displaying it, and class y for setting up of the value of num2 and also displaying it. We are using friend function because we are declaring it outside of the class, because private members cannot be accessed outside of the class, but can be done with using a friend function. We are telling the compiler that swapping is a friend and that can be used from anywhere in the program, and don't forget to use reference pointers, otherwise swapping will not be performed. Now we will run our code. Before swapping 1221, after swapping 2112. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.